Hello, and welcome to Global Tech, your go-to channel for technology, electronics, and computer science tutorials. Let's dive right into today's session. Today, we'll be working on a practice drawing in AutoCAD. I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it easy to follow along. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create this drawing from start to finish. So, let's get started. First, we'll start by drawing a horizontal line that measures 198 millimeters in length. To do this, select the Line tool, click on your starting point, and then enter the exact length in the command bar. This will give us the base reference for our drawing. Next, draw a vertical line with a length of 90 millimeters. Use the Line tool again, starting from the end point of the horizontal line, and make sure the line is perfectly vertical by turning on ortho mode. This will ensure accuracy in your drawing. At the end of the vertical line, draw 4 circles with the same center point. Set the radii of the circles to 10 millimeters, 17 millimeters, 27 millimeters, and 38 millimeters. This will create 4 concentric circles.
Music licensing reimagined.
Now, extend the horizontal line by 52 millimeters.
Artlist.io.
Now, offset the vertical line to the left by 106 millimeters. Use the offset command, enter the distance, and then click on the side where you want the new line to appear.
Music
Next,
licensing
follow the same
reimagined.
offset step to create the additional reference lines. After that, draw the new circles with the exact dimensions shown in the video, making sure each circle shares the same center point.
Artlist.io.
Now, create circles of the same dimensions as before, making sure they are concentric and aligned with the existing geometry.
Music licensing reimagined.
Use the trim command to remove the lower portions of the circles, keeping only the upper arcs as required for the drawing.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Now, offset the lower horizontal line by 15 millimeters toward the top to create the base reference for the profile.
Music licensing reimagined.
Extend the arcs downward until they intersect with the vertical construction lines, ensuring they connect precisely with the base line.
Artlist.io.
Next, Use the trim command to
Music
remove the
licensing
unwanted segments of the
reimagined.
baseline, keeping only the portions required, as shown in the video. Continue following the next steps as demonstrated in the video, applying the same
Artlist
commands and
IO.
dimensions to complete the drawing accurately.
Music licensing reimagined.
On the third concentric circle, construct a small circle with a radius of 5 millimeters. Then, apply the polar array command to replicate this circle around the full 360 degrees, ensuring the array contains exactly 12 circles of 5 millimeters radius.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
Now, create a half-polar array of circles to arrange them in the form of an arc, instead of a full 360-degree pattern. Specify the angle for the array, so the circles follow the required arc segment.
Artlist IO. Artlist IO.
Next, apply the fillet command to the specified edges, creating
Music
smooth rounded
licensing
corners as per the
reimagined.
drawing requirements.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Now, draw the construction lines exactly
Music
as shown in the
licensing
tutorial,
reimagined.
ensuring they align properly with the existing geometry.
Music licensing reimagined.
Use the trim command to remove all unwanted line segments, keeping only the geometry required for the final drawing.
Artlist.io.
Now, create parallel lines as shown in the video, using the offset command to maintain the exact spacing and accuracy.
Artlist.io.
Apply fillets with the specified radii to the selected corners, ensuring smooth transitions between the
Music
connecting lines
licensing
as per the drawing
reimagined.
requirements.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Now, use the arc command to complete the remaining geometry, carefully connecting the endpoints to achieve the required
Artlist.io.
profile.
Music licensing reimagined.
Finally, use the trim command once again to remove all unwanted line segments, leaving only the finalized geometry as per the drawing requirements.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Finally, our drawing is complete. We have successfully constructed the entire geometry step by step using AutoCAD. Now, let's verify the
Artlist.io.
accuracy of our work by checking the dimensions with the dimension commands.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Next, we will check the dimensions of each element in the drawing, including all lines, circles, and arcs, to ensure they match the specified measurements. AutoCAD is one of the most powerful and versatile tools available for engineers, architects, and designers. It provides the ability to create highly accurate, detailed, and professional drawings that meet industry standards. With its wide range of features, AutoCAD not only saves time but also ensures efficiency and precision in every stage of design and drafting. Practicing regularly in AutoCAD is the key to mastering it. Consistent practice strengthens your understanding of commands, improves your design workflow, and sharpens your problem-solving skills. It also boosts your creativity, allowing you to convert ideas into professional technical drawings with confidence. The more you practice, the faster and more accurate you become, preparing you to handle complex, real-world projects with ease and professionalism. Drawing practice in AutoCAD offers multiple benefits for students, professionals, and anyone interested in design. First, it develops precision. Every line, arc, and circle you create strengthens your ability to work with exact measurements and tolerances. This level of accuracy is essential in engineering, architecture, and manufacturing. Second, it improves visualization skills. By practicing drawings, you train your mind to convert concepts into graphical representations, making it easier to understand and communicate complex designs. Third, drawing practice enhances command over CAD tools and commands. The more you practice, the more efficient you become in using shortcuts, arrays, offsets, trims, and other essential features, which saves valuable time in real projects. Fourth, it builds problem-solving ability. While creating practice drawings, you often face challenges like aligning geometry, adjusting dimensions, or correcting errors. Solving these issues sharpens your analytical thinking and boosts your confidence. Finally, regular drawing practice prepares you for professional work. It creates discipline, improves speed, and ensures you are industry-ready to handle detailed projects, whether they are in mechanical, civil, or architectural design. In short, practice in AutoCAD transforms basic learning into mastery, turning ideas into accurate, professional quality drawings.